So in the latest keynote, Google has just released a multimodal called Google Omni. When I say multimodal, it can basically accept any kind of input, whether you want to give the input your normal text prompt, your audio, your video, and it would create a perfect video out of it. And the best thing about it is you can think of it like a nano banana, but just for the video. So when you use it, you'll feel like you are talking to your editor. You are telling the editor your requirements and someone is doing the editing on behalf of you. And that's the Google Omni model. And there are a lot of things in this model, so that you can change the camera angle, you can change the light effects, you can change the main character in your video, and you can create like different kind of effects as well. As you can see over here, this guy has created like a liquid effect there. And one of the surprising thing that I have found here is about changing the camera angle. I have worked in multiple Hollywood movies and I have found that this is one of the major roadblockers for the VFX industry. So one thing is this camera angle, and the another biggest problem in the VFX is changing the light effects. But it seems like now all these models are getting there that we need to change the way we work in these industries now. And let's see some more examples. Like you can create these kind of like an interesting video, like a tutorial videos, and see like you can combine multiple inputs together. I think this is one of the first model that allows normal public to use these kind of models where you can pass input video, a normal image, a normal audio, and a prompt, and you will get the perfect output like this. So this is the true potential of the multimodal. And you can even do the transformation and the styles. So the era started of the transformation from something called cycle gain when I was doing my masters in 2017, and now we have come up to this way that we can actually create the full video without knowing actually what's happening in the background. And that all of these things are possible because of the Google new latest model called Omni. So let's test this video. So now let's give it a try to one of the example. And what I'll try to do is I'll try to use all my personal assets and see actually the quality of Omni, if it's up to the mark or not. So this is one of the video from my recent Bali trip. So I was doing the snorkeling there, and I'll try to add some elements here. So this is the nest here. This is like extra life jackets. I'm telling you all these elements because I'll try to edit those. So this is the full video. And what I'll try to do is I'll try to add this Aquaman figure there, and I'll give the prompt to the Gemini. I'll show you the result now. So what I have given is this prompt: remove the life jacket from the snorkeling video while keeping the same underwater background perfectly natural. Add a realistic Aquaman swimming next to me underwater. He smiles, wave at me, and says goodbye bro. Oh sorry, you good bro, in a cinematic way. Make it look like a real movie, realistic, and all these things. And I've also asked specifically to use Omni model. By default it would use it, but I've just asked it. I'm only created it for 3 seconds. You can play with it in the future, and the results looks pretty good. So let's have a look. So let's download this one first, and now let's see how it looks. Okay, that looks pretty decent. It didn't work for the you good bro, maybe because I have not been specific and added the audio element, or maybe the video is too short. But considering this part, this looks pretty good and pretty natural. It doesn't look fake. See like how you can see this Aquaman figure there swimming with me. It also removed the jacket, add the sameness, same me here. It did little bit of fake elements here, like my hairstyle changed and everything. But apart from it, it has done a really interesting job. So Gemini Omni has done a really great job in editing the video, and if we keep playing with it, it would keep refining the video more and more. And from my understanding, it will change how the VFX industry work, how the video editing industry work, and maybe if this would act as a tool in the different softwares they use, maybe like CapCut, Gemini, or any other open source tool.